Oh, good day to you, YouTube. Okay, so this one is it. We're gonna go with, because it's Wednesday the 26th of May 2021, and everyone on Instagram has been going on about the full moon, blood moon vibes. Whatever way you want to connect with nature is all good. So let's go with this. 4 gazing ways to connect with nature. So within the context of today, moon gazing has to be number 1, sun gazing number 2, but be sure to do it at sunrise and sunset for safety, unless you've got the protective eyewear, less UV light, so I've heard, just after sunrise and just before sunset. Cloud gazing number 3, and stargazing number 4. Whoa. Komaribi there, the sun shining through the leaves of the trees, making that nice visual there. All good. So there it is. 4 gazing ways to connect with nature. Take care.